So if you hadn't reached out to Business Benchmark Group 18 or so months ago, where do you think you'd be right now?
Oh, in rehab, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, look, I'd you know, I think we'd certainly just be on the up and down roller coaster. And
definitely happy wife, happy life. She really pointed out, she goes, look, you know, since joining Benchmark Group in October last year, she goes, you know, I can just see the change, that you are dead set focused on what you're doing. You know, having things like cash flow and that under control keeps a lot of pressure off the family.
We have had other trade-based mentors before and still have, but since we have jumped on board with Board of Directors 12, quite honestly, our growth has skyrocketed to levels that it has never been before.
Really changed my life a bit. Quality of life has just gone through the roof. Hours are down, and just in general, just health, I guess. So if you do need help, just, you know, put your hand up, because the longer you leave it, the longer you'll regret it. I wish I had done it 5 years ago, but you know, I'm wrapped. I started 12 months ago.
My son Dale has been under Stefan's guidance now for the last 12 months, I suppose 18 months, and that has been really instrumental in getting Dale where he is now. He just gets it all of a sudden. He just understands it. All the dots have joined, and yeah, just do it. Just do it.
With the help from Stefan, he taught me where the numbers were, where the critical, key numbers were. And watching them, and now it's at the point where I'm looking at them 3 times a day. I know exactly where it's at. I'll look at them at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and know whether they're going to make money that day or not. It's just, it is a really big key part of the business.
I first met Stefan and I saw that graph of that sort of 5 million level, and then going from owner to investor, and I thought, I have no idea how to do that. I've spoken to some people that had big businesses, and I knew I didn't have that mindset to actually do it. So I met, and you opened up my eyes to what the next level looks like and what's involved, and I thought, okay, well, I want to do it.
Stefan Kazakis is the best that's available here in Australia. There's no doubt about that.